Phoenixville homeowners know that local weather can be unpredictable. From hot, humid summers to cold winters with freezing temperatures, your front door has to handle it all. Choosing the right door material isn't just about looks, it directly affects energy efficiency, durability, maintenance, and long-term comfort inside your home. If you're planning a door replacement or upgrade, understanding how different materials perform in Phoenixville's climate will help you make a confident, cost-effective decision. Understanding Phoenixville's climate challenges. Phoenixville experiences all 4 seasons, which means doors must withstand temperature swings, moisture, and occasional storms. High humidity in summer can cause some materials to swell or warp, while winter cold tests insulation and structural integrity. The best door material is one that maintains its shape, seals tightly, and resists weather-related wear year after year. Fiberglass doors. A smart all-season choice. Fiberglass doors are one of the most popular options for Phoenixville homes, and for good reason. They're highly resistant to moisture, meaning they won't warp, crack, or rot due to humidity or rain. Fiberglass also offers excellent insulation, helping keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. From a customer perspective, fiberglass doors strike a great balance between performance and appearance. They can mimic the look of natural wood while requiring far less maintenance. For homeowners who want long-term reliability with minimal upkeep, fiberglass is often a top contender. Steel doors. Strength and energy efficiency. Steel doors are another strong option for Phoenixville weather conditions. They offer outstanding durability and security while providing solid insulation when paired with a quality core. Steel handles temperature changes well and doesn't warp like wood can. That said, steel doors can be susceptible to dents and scratches, and if the finish is damaged, rust can become an issue over time. For homeowners who prioritize security and energy efficiency, and don't mind occasional touch-ups, steel doors can be a dependable and budget-friendly choice. Wood doors. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood doors are known for their classic beauty and curb appeal, but they can be challenging in Phoenixville's climate. Changes in temperature and humidity may cause wood to expand, contract, or warp if not properly sealed and maintained. While wood doors can work well with the right protective finishes and regular upkeep, they often require more attention than fiberglass or steel. Homeowners who love the natural look of wood should be prepared for periodic refinishing to protect against moisture and seasonal wear. Composite doors. Modern performance with style. Composite doors combine multiple materials to create a product designed specifically for durability and insulation. These doors resist moisture, maintain their shape in fluctuating temperatures, and often provide excellent energy efficiency. For Phoenixville homeowners seeking a modern solution that performs well in all seasons, composite doors are worth considering. They offer the appearance of premium materials with fewer maintenance concerns, making them ideal for busy households. Choosing what's right for your home. The best door material depends on your priorities, whether that's energy savings, low maintenance, security, or visual appeal. Fiberglass and composite doors tend to be the most versatile options for Phoenixville weather, while steel offers strength and value. Wood remains a beautiful choice for homeowners willing to invest in maintenance. When choosing a new door, think beyond the upfront cost. Consider long-term performance, comfort, and how well the material will stand up to Phoenixville's changing seasons. A well-chosen door not only protects your home but also enhances its appearance and efficiency for years to come.